business we're featuring today is the Streetcar Grill and Tavern down in the Crossroads. I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, letting you know another one of my Kansas City favorites. If you enjoy the peanut or tavern restaurants, then you are definitely going to want to try out the newest restaurant by this owner, Streetcar Grill and Tavern, located in the Crossroads right along Casey's streetcar track. There's lots of TVs inside for a sports car vibe, and they have great service. Now, Monday night is their wing and burger special, which for me is good, but not necessarily a standout to come here. However, their Gouda stuffed tater tots with jalapeno bacon aioli, I can almost taste that deliciousness. And the variety of tacos are well worth the drive. So my favorite taco on the menu is the Main Street shrimp tacos, which are tossed in a savory, spicy, sweet sauce, topped with almonds, superfood slaw, and served in a corn tortilla. Now, Tuesdays are their taco special nights with 3 tacos for $5, and there's several additional varieties that are not on their regular menu. So hop on off that streetcar or drive this way. Maybe I'll see you here for Taco Tuesdays.